Number 1. 1988 Ford Ranger STX 4-wheel drive, $4,200, Cedar Ridge, California. This 1988 Ford Ranger STX is a compact 4-wheel drive pickup powered by a 2.9-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for its durability and simplicity, this platform remains popular among enthusiasts. The truck runs strong, shifts smoothly, and shows no visible body rust, which is a major advantage. Cosmetic issues like paint fade and a non-functioning fuel gauge are minor concerns. Mileage is uncertain due to odometer rollover, which is common for this era. Overall, it is a solid, practical classic work truck with good off-road capability. Number 2. 1966 Chevrolet C10 shortbed, $6,500, El Paso, Texas. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 shortbed is a desirable factory configuration and a strong project candidate. It runs, drives, and stops with essential systems like lighting in working order. Recent upgrades including a new alternator, water pump, brakes, ignition switch, and fuel tank add significant value. While still a project, much of the mechanical groundwork has been completed. The mid-1960s C10 is highly sought after for its clean styling and customization potential, making this an attractive entry-level restoration opportunity. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet CK2500, $7,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1988 Chevrolet CK2500 is a heavy-duty square-body pickup in excellent condition with only 78,000 miles. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and everyday usability. Features such as power windows, door locks, and a matching canopy enhance comfort and practicality. The interior is well preserved with only minor wear. With minimal use and careful ownership, this truck stands out as a clean and reliable example of late 1980s Chevrolet engineering. Number 4. 1959 Chevrolet Apache 1-ton, $8,400, Spokane, Washington. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache 1-ton truck is a classic workhorse with strong originality and long-term ownership history. Powered by an inline-6 engine and manual transmission, it delivers dependable vintage performance. With only 45,000 original miles and recent brake system refurbishment, it is both functional and well-maintained. The addition of new tires further enhances drivability. These Apache trucks are valued for their iconic styling and durability, making this a solid collectible. Number 5. 1985 Ford F250 4-wheel drive diesel, $14,500, Vancouver, Washington. This 1985 Ford F250 diesel is a highly capable heavy-duty truck featuring a 6.9-liter V8 engine with an added turbo kit for improved performance. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, manual transmission, winch, and lift kit, it is built for serious utility and off-road use. The truck has been well maintained with recent mechanical work and new batteries. Its clean condition and extensive equipment make it a standout example of mid-1980s diesel trucks, which are increasingly valued for their durability and simplicity. Number 6. 1980 Chevrolet C10 shortbed, $9,900, Norco, California. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe is a one-owner California truck with strong originality and no rust. Powered by a 4.1-liter inline-six engine and manual transmission, it offers reliable and straightforward performance. The truck features tasteful modifications, including a lowered stance, rally wheels, and interior updates, while retaining its original paint. With a clean title and solid condition, it represents a desirable blend of originality and mild customization in a classic square body platform. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet C10, $12,000, Napa County, California. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 is an exceptional low-mileage example with only 36,044 original miles and second-owner history. It has been lightly used and well-maintained, making it a rare find among square-body trucks. The truck runs and drives very well, with a straight body and only minor cosmetic imperfections. Its originality and condition make it highly appealing to collectors seeking an authentic and well-preserved classic pickup. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet S10 Durango four-wheel drive, $13,500, Sherman Oaks, California. This 1984 Chevrolet S10 Durango is a rare compact sport utility pickup conversion with four-wheel drive and a V6 engine. With only 73,000 miles and all original condition, it stands out for its uniqueness and collectability. These Durango models were produced in limited numbers, making them increasingly desirable. It runs well, offers good fuel efficiency, and presents as a clean, stylish example of 1980s compact trucks. Number 9. 1987 Mazda B2000, $700, Santa Cruz, California. This 1987 Mazda B2000 is a non-running project truck with significant mechanical needs. Powered by a four-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it requires headwork due to internal contamination from a spark plug repair issue. Additional repairs include clutch and brake components. Despite its condition, the truck has a clean title, rust-free body, and some recent parts like a new fuel pump. It offers a solid foundation for restoration at a very low entry price. Number 10. 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $14,500, Bend, Oregon. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Longbed has been professionally rebuilt and features a powerful 327 cubic inch V8 engine sourced from a 1965 Corvette. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers strong performance and a classic driving experience. Extensive recent upgrades and maintenance enhance reliability, while the truck retains much of its original character. As the first year of this body style, it is highly collectible, and this example offers both performance and usability. Number 11. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Longbed, $13,496, Tyler, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 has remained within the same family for decades, adding to its provenance. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs smoothly and has benefited from consistent maintenance, including ignition upgrades and fuel system work. With relatively low mileage and a clean history in Texas, it represents a well-preserved and reliable classic. These trucks are known for their versatility and timeless design. Number 12. 1977 Jeep J10 shortbed, $16,900, Cresswell, Oregon. This 1977 Jeep J10 is a rare factory shortbed model, making it highly desirable among collectors. Equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and quadra-track four-wheel drive system, it offers strong performance and off-road capability. With low mileage and recent maintenance, it runs well and remains in very good driver condition. Its rarity, combined with solid originality, makes it a standout classic truck with strong collector appeal.